Good evening, guys. Hope you all are fine. Today we have the fifth lecture of the animal kingdom on the topics Annelida. We have planned to take it Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, so that this topic will be over. So till we complete this, we will be having this as a what screen, first screen or the first slide on the screen. So we just plan to finish at least till Mollusca today. Okay, we will reach as far as possible today. So kindly cooperate, and if you are not yet a member of our Telegram group, join it right now at Bio.new, and welcome to today's session. Today we are starting with the phylum Annelida with ringed or unsegmented worms. So phylum Annelida means ringed or unsegmented worms. Okay. And the grade of organization. In case of this Annelida, phylum Annelida, the organ system level of organization is starting. The organ system level of organization starts with this king, phylum Annelida. And it has a bilateral symmetry. Okay. The symmetry in case of this Annelida is bilateral. Triploblastic layer of the triploblastic germinal layer, that is the entoderm, ectoderm, and mesoderm. Habitat. Some are terrestrial, Some are freshwater or marine, free living or parasitic. Okay. In case of digestive system, we have a complete digestive system. For this phylum Annelida, we have a complete digestive system. Okay. So what it contains: a mouth, pharynx, esophagus, intestine, anus, and there is a cut in the, oh, it's here to show. Look, the lumen of the intestine. Okay. Respiration is by cutaneous respiration, and some have branchial gills respiration. Okay. Is everything clear? Okay, closed circulatory system starts in case of Annelida. Till then, there was no circulatory system. Sexual means of reproduction: earthworms and leeches are monoecious, whereas Nereis is dioecious and indirect development. That is, there is a larval stage in between. Okay, and this what Annelida is known as the segmented worms, right? So segmentation like rings are present. Okay, segmentation like rings. So the small rings are known as annulus. Okay, so these small rings inside their body. Look, you can see these small rings. So these small rings are known as annulus. Okay, and they are eucoelomate. We haven't discussed that, right? So they are eucoelomate. That is, they have a true body cavity. Okay, they have a true body cavity. Locomotory organs are seated. That in case of earthworm, the locomotory organ is seated. Everything, all these topics, I know that you have still a confusion where I'm teaching. Surely it will be made clear with the very at the end of this session. Okay, not today's session. At the end of this chapter, we will take surely once again a revision with that, and after that it will be made clear. And out of NCRT will also be included in that. And parapodia is the locomotory organ in case of Nereis. Okay, so excretion by means of nephridia. All these are simple. That's why I'm moving so fast. Okay, in case of nervous system, paired ganglia connected by lateral nerves to a double ventral nerve cord. Okay, hope it's clear. Every time I'm repeating the word okay, 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 right? Okay. Then these are the examples: earthworm, that is a ferritima; leech, hirdonaria; and nereis, that is a sandworm. Every diagram. Yes, Calvin. I know I'm too fast. Okay. Then before teaching this, I will just discuss every point once again from this phylum. Okay, Annelida. So it will be clear. So now we are going to learn about this phylum Annelida, right? So comment me fast whatever I ask you. Okay, if you know, comment the answer, and if you don't know, comment me you don't know itself. Okay, so in case of Annelida, their habitat, they are free living, found in freshwater, moist soil. We can see this annelids, moist soil, and sea. These are the places where we can see this annelids. The second point, we note it down each and every point. Who coined the term Annelida? Who coined it? It is Lamarck. This Lamarck established this phylum Annelida. Okay, hope it's clear. Hope it's clear. Okay, the third point, this count of species is 16,500. 16,500 species. Okay, Shivani. Okay, Nila. Count of species is 16,500. Fourth point, they are known as the segmented worms. They are known as the segmented worms. Fifth point, free living, as well as parasitic forms of Annelida are found. Free living as well as parasitic forms are found. Okay. Yes, yes. I know that there is confusion in the rest also. That is in what Porifera, Coelenterata, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes, Ashhelminthes. I know, but I will take this. Okay, I just plan to prepare a slide like this. Most of them out of NCRT topics like that and do it. But now also I am discussing the same. Sixth point. They are eucoeloms. Eucoelomate organism. Triploblastic. Triploblastic. Okay. Triploblastic and have a closed circulatory system. Closed circulatory system. Ninth point. First digestive gland is present in case of Annelida. First digestive gland. That is why we say that this in case of this annelids, the digestive system is completed. Okay, they have organ system level of organization that we have discussed. Then metamerism is present. We told they are known as segmented worms. So segmentation is present. That is known as metamerism, or body segmentation is present. Has a tube within a tube body plan. Tube within a tube body plan. Next one, they are known as, very important, they are known as the golden group of animals. They are known as the golden group of animals because most of the advanced characters are starting from this Annelida. Therefore, they are known as the golden group of animals. Okay. Parapodia for locomotion. Parapodia for locomotion. Are you all here? Please give me thumbs up if you are able to follow. Give me thumbs up. Each segment have chitinous setae that we have discussed now. Each segment have chitinous setae. Okay, Calvin, Nila, and Shivani. I think you three only are here. Most of them just went back when we started late, right? Okay. Excretory organ nephridia. They also help in osmoregulation. cutaneous respiration and brachial respiration is also there. Then that's all. Reproduction is sexual, right? Sexual form of reproduction. Then they can be monoecious or dioecious. Earthworm and leech are monoecious, and this one, Nereus is dioecious. Okay, is everything clear till now? Is everything clear till now? That means this phylum Arthropoda is over. Sorry, phylum Annelida is over. So organ system level of organization, bilateral symmetry, triploblastic layer of triploblastic germ layers, coelomates, terrestrial, freshwater or marine, free living and parasitic, complete digestive system, cutaneous and branchial respiration, closed type circulatory system, sexual form of reproduction, earthworms and leech as monoecious, nearest is dioecious and indirect development. True segmentation is present. Locomotory organ, parapodia, excretion by nephridia, paired ganglia, lateral nerves, double ventral nerve cord. Examples: Ferritima, Hirdineria, and Mills. That's all in case of this phylum Annelida. Look this. Hope you all can see this, or it's buffering. Okay. So the largest phylum that includes over two-thirds of all named species, that is the phylum Arthropoda, the jointed-legged animals. That is what we are going to discuss next, the phylum Arthropoda. Arthropoda means what? Jointed appendages. I will ask you questions. I would like to ask you questions, but most of you are not at all responding. That's why I just to take it back. Organ system level of organization. Organ system level of organization in case of arthropoda. Bilateral symmetry. Look here, if you cut into two, you can see that from one plane only it can be cut into two equal halves. Triploblastic germinal layer, that is the ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Look here, figure given very clearly. Coelomate, that is eucoelomate. The true coelom is present. Everything is depicted in the diagram. Okay. So this white portion, that is a coelom. This is a true coelom is present. Cosmopolitan, that is, it is found all over the world. Can be seen everywhere. Okay, that is why it is said to be cosmopolitan. Complete, that is the digestive system is complete digestive system and has two openings, that is the mouth and the anus, what foregut, midgut and malpighian tubule that we will discuss. Okay, respiratory organs, gills, book gills, trachea, book lungs, all these are the respiratory organs. So gills in case of prawns, prawns, gills are present. What gills are used for respiration? Book gills, it is king crab, not king cobra, it is king crab. Okay, trachea, it is in case of insect, for example in case of cockroach. Okay, book lungs in case of scorpion. Clear for you? So open type circulatory system, blood is pumped by a heart into the body cavities, not to body cavity, into the body cavities. Look, this heart is pumping the blood into the body cavities. The open circulatory system is present. I think you all know this, right? Is it buffering? For me, it's buffering. That's it. Yeah. Reproduction, they are mostly dioecious. Internal fertilization, mostly oviparous. That is, they are egg-laying organisms. Okay, development may be direct or indirect. There may be larval stages in case of some organism, but in case of some, there it is direct development. No larval stage will be present. It has jointed appendages. Body has three regions, that is the head, thorax, and abdomen. Body is covered by chitinous exoskeleton. Very important. Chitinous exoskeleton is present to cover the body. And excretion by Malpighian tubule. Excretion by Malpighian tubule. Sensory organs present are antennae, compound and symbolized statosis, that are the balance organs. So these are the sensory organs present in case of this arthropoda. So look, spider, scorpion, crab, prawn, and various insects, butterflies, what various insects. All this comes under what this arthropoda. Okay, where is the mouse? Look, the economically important arthropodial organisms are honeybee, bombyx, lacifer all these are the economically important insect. Okay, vectors, that is Anopheles mosquito, Culex mosquito, Aedes mosquito, housefly. All these are the vectors. Take a screenshot and post it in the group. Gregarious pest, that is a locusta, and the living fossil, that is a limulus or king crab. Okay, very important. Limulus is a living fossil. I just forgot to say that. This is the living fossil. Okay. So Anopheles mosquito, it causes what? Malaria. Culex mosquito, elephantiasis. Aedes mosquito, yellow fever or dengue. Houseflies, what? Relapsing, diarrhea, dysentery, cholera. All these are caused by housefly. So these are the diseases that are carried by these vectors. So this is the characters at a glance. Take a screenshot and post it in the group. Organ system level of organization, bilateral symmetry, triploblastic, coelomate, cosmopolitan, complete digestive system, gills or book gills or trachea or book lungs. All these we have discussed. These are the respiratory organ. Open type of circulatory system, mostly dioecious. Internal fertilization occurs, mostly oviparous. Development may be direct or indirect. Okay, jointed appendages are present. Body is divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. Chitinous exoskeleton. Malpighian tubules are present, and the sense organs, that is the antennae, compound eyes, and simple eyes, starocyst. That is a balancing organ. Spider, scorpion, crab, prawns, insects, etc. All these are what examples. Okay. Guys, I want an opinion that whether I should continue after this session. Okay, after this session in the next class, that is or might be tomorrow, right? So in the next class, whether you want me to continue with this means continuation topics, or you want me to revise that without along with that out of NCRT, which one you need? Entire revision may take time. No issues. Anyway, we should do that, no? So which one you need? Revision till now or comment me fast? Continuation. Okay. Others? Others? No one else are here? Okay, Shivani. Okay, Calvin. So the second largest phylum, that is phylum Mollusca. They are the soft-bodied animals. Okay, they are the soft-bodied animals. Grade of organization is the organ system level of organization. Here you can see the snail, pilla, all these have the yes little explorer. I think you are late, bit late. Okay, organ system level of organization. Bilateral symmetry, you can see that cutting in a one plane along one plane into two equal halves. Triploblastic germinal layer. Okay. Coelomate organism, that is a true body cavity is present. So this is the body plan. Look, the body cavity in case of this mollusca. Aquatic, few are terrestrial. Okay, they are mostly aquatic and some of them are terrestrial. Complete digestive system has, that means complete digestive system means what? There are two openings, that is a mouth and anus. Okay. Respiration, gills in aquatic forms and pulmonary sac in case of terrestrial organism. In case of terrestrial organism, it is pulmonary sac. Okay, they have a tube within a tube body plan. Look, a tube within a tube body plan. Open type of circulatory system. Open type of circulatory system. Okay, they undergo torsion during development. They undergo torsion during development. Sex are separate, that is dioecious. They are oviparous. Development may be direct or indirect. In case in some of them, in case there are larval stages, and in case of some there is no larval stages. Body has head, visceral mass, and muscular food. Head has sensory tentacles and calcareous shell. Feather-like gills and what for respiration and expiration. I know that it's boring for you, but anyway, all these are important topics. Okay, I will make it interesting at last. Okay, surely I will make it interesting at last. This topic will be made clear to you. So this is the body plan, general body plan or body organization of this mollusca. So look, pila, it is known as the apple snail. Apple snail, that is the pila. Pinctada, that is a pearl oyster. Pinctada vulgaris, it is the Indian pearl oyster. Okay. So, anyone know the father of this pearl industry? Father of this pearl industry. Come and me. Sepia, it is also known as cuttlefish, loligo or squid. Okay. Octopus, devilfish, Aplysia, sea hare, Dentalium, tusk shell, Catoplura, that is the chiton. Anyone know the father of Indian pearl industry? Father of Indian pearl industry, come and me. Fast. Guys, you are not at all responding. I told you if you don't know, you can comment no. If you know, you can comment the answer. But you are not at all responding, and we are continuing with the topic. Organ system level of organization, bilateral symmetry, triploblastic germinal layer, coelomates, they are aquatic and few are terrestrial, complete digestive system, gills in aquatic forms and pulmonary sac in terrestrial forms. I think Nila is not there. Open type of circulatory system, dioecious, oviparous, and development may be direct or indirect. Body has head, visceral mass, and muscular food. Head has 10 sensory tentacles, feather-like gills for respiration and excretion, calcareous cells, mantle, and radula. Examples: Pila, Pinctada, Sepia, Loligo, Octopus, Aplysia, Dentalium, and Catoplura. All these are the examples. I'm moving a bit fast because none of you are responding whether it is yes or no itself. You are not at all responding. Okay. So, bit much thing. What something extra was there to say in case of this mollusca too. So, phylum Echinodermata. That is a spiny skinned animals. Okay. They are an organ system level of organization. Okay. They have organ system level of organization. And adults, in case of adults, it is radially symmetrical, and in case of larvae, it is bilaterally symmetrical. Bilateral symmetry in case of larvae and radial symmetry in case of adult. Triploblastic germinal layer. That is, three germ layers are present: ectoderm, endoderm, and mesoderm. In case of poriferans, they were what diploblastic. That is only endoderm and ectoderm, and the spaces filled by mesoglia. So true coelom is present in case of this echinoderms. Look, a true body cavity is present. All these things are the common features. Okay, that's why I'm moving bit fast, not bit fast, too fast. Okay, do you don't know what is organ system level of organization? Do you don't know what is bilateral symmetry? Do you don't know what are coelomates? All of you know that. I know. Everyone know that what are all those things. But we have to discuss whether it is present in case of echinoderms or whether it is not present in case of what other organ, other phylum. That's what our duty is, and nothing else to study in case of this animal kingdom. But you have to study something extra when you reach those chordates. That's only thing that, and that's why you're feeling like that. They're exclusively marine. We have said some of them are terrestrial, some of them are what free living, some are sessile, some are solitary. All those we are discussing right from the beginning of Porifera to Echinodermata. Okay, now it is the phylum is over. Almost it is over. So hope it's clear for you all. Okay, I know I'm a bit fast, but I think I'm making all the concept clear and moving. That's why I'm moving bit fast. Marine world. Okay, marine world. So what else to say? It is exclusively marine. It is a single point there, and it is given as a bulletin point. So nothing else to explain in case of that for you all senior students. Digestive system is complete, and ventral mouth and dorsal anus. Mouth is ventrally placed and anus is dorsally placed. Okay, is that clear? Look, this mouth and the dorsal, you can see this anus. Respiratory system, that is the skin, gills or papillae, and tube feet is the respiratory what system. Calvin, you are saying right from the beginning that it's very fast and very fast. It's already said from the team that if you have any doubt, you can ask it. Okay, no issues with that. I know it's very fast. So the open type of circulatory system is present in case of echinodermata. That is, water vascular system is what is the system that helps in circulation in case of echinoderms. Is there any doubts, Calvin? So, the reproduction in case of echinoderms, it is dioecious. Okay, external fertilization occurs and development is indirect. Ciliated, that or free swimming. Okay, they are ciliated and free swimming. That is, cilia helps in locomotion. Clear? Ciliated, free swimming, larval stages there. They have an endoskeleton of calcareous ossicle, that is, it is spiny bodied what organism. That is why echinoderms are known as spiny skinned organism. They have an endoskeleton made up of calcareous ossicles. All these are for protection, nothing else. Okay, no head and water vascular system is present. Excretory system is absent in case of echinoderms. No excretory system. Okay, Water vascular system. It's a unique feature of this echinoderm. Water vascular system is present. In this system, seawater enters through a porous plate called madreporite and reaching the radiating canals and tube feet. That is the podia. All these are just not needed. You just look at the function. Locomotion, respiration, capture and transport of food and excretion. This is the function. That's the only thing that is required in this topic. Look the examples. Astrias or starfish, Echinus sea urchin, Echinocardium and Antidon, that is a sea lily, Ophura, brittle star, Cucumaria, that is a sea cucumber. All these are the examples in case of this phylum Echinodermata. This is the overall characters of this or the features of this echinoderms at a glance. Okay, is that clear? Is that clear? Surely next time. Okay, Shivani. Okay, Calvin. Surely next time I'm not gonna continue with this topic. I will take a revision session. Surely. Only after making you clear with all these topics very slowly, I will be moving on to the next one. It's not because what Calvin said it's very what I'm saying truly. It's not because why Calvin said me too felt I'm too fast, but I felt that I was clearing all the topics. Okay. So I think most of you haven't watched the first session classification. That's why you are not being able to differentiate between the basic features of coelom, segmentation, notochord presence, all these. Okay, that's why. So you should just watch the first session and you will be clear with those topics of segmentation and all other basic characters. Okay, germinal layer, everything is explained there. So hope it's clear for you all, and that's all for today. I'm winding up today's session. Okay, see you later. You'll be disappointed today. I think everyone, me and two of the students are too disappointed today. Sorry for that. I'm leaving today. Next class onwards, we will be back.